Hello, dear friends. Today is Saturday. We spent all day completing around 20-25 different tasks, implementing like a major software and hardware update. Let's hope we get everything finished tomorrow before the markets open. We can't guarantee that. So just in case, I'm giving you here a short analysis about some major markets on the higher time frames on the 4-hour charts. But yeah, looking forward to present to you the update. Anyway, so as you know, the last week was pretty low money flow, low bias. There were longies as well as shorties in the market. Not a lot of positions on the scale. So therefore, as I said before, the euro dollar stayed within this consolidation range on the higher as well as the lower time frames. You can also see here the position bars on the right side above the price. We have those long positions, on the lower side those short positions, which is why the price is bouncing between those two positions, those accumulations, and going flat. That's why it doesn't make a breakout, because if they would just break out to the downside, the shorties would win. If they would break out to the upside, the longies would win. But of course, eventually they will need to make a move. Also, the more time passes, the higher the likelihood that there's going to be a breakout. So next week something will happen. And we also see the collapse in the squeeze line. So with that collapse, there can't be just a breakout to the upside. If shorties come in and push up the overall bias to the short side, then there can be a move up. And, once those long positions have been priced in and, like served with counter moves and stop hunts, eventually, something can happen. But as it stands now, there's no decision by the dumb money which way to go. So in those situations, as you know, I don't like to place manual position trades. This is more for range scalping. Here's cable, similar thing, low dumb money flow and mixed dumb money flow, no squeeze. Stops on both sides, albeit the low ones are far away and the upper ones are juicy. But price also a bit stuck between longies and shorties, so the same thing. Could be down move and up move, for example, down, up, something like that after a flat market. So low bias, these are not high bias situations where we can collect free money like in other situations. As you know, I've predicted that, the market will change into this kind of low bias situation after with all the squeezes over weeks and weeks with loads of pips. Dollar yen, a bit of shorties, but not many. 12, it's nothing. You can see it better on the historical histogram, it's nothing. So there could be a pullback up, and then eventually once maybe the down move in the other pairs starts, they could maybe try to at least take some of those medium-term stops, the orange lines of the longies. That's what they would like to do, maybe with some kind of double low. But again, something more needs to happen on the dumb money side for us to see that, and the other pairs, of course, the same thing. Here, pound yen is visiting the upper channel of the 4-hour chart. But, we don't have enough dumb money flow there, or no stops anywhere near neither. Okay? Just showing you also, let's look at the euro dollar day chart. So you may remember we had the multi-week down move against all the longies, the dumb money switch, shorties came in, boom. In response to that, the algos changed the direction, okay? The news data is not loaded because of the update today. And then a stop point of all the 4 moving averages, and now we see there's a little medium term stop just below the price, as we've seen before. So low bias markets overall. That's not a situation for position trades, that's for range scalping, for example. Okay, and we keep you updated. Let's see whether, we get everything done until Sunday night. We don't know that yet. All the best. Have a great weekend.